This here is my wife's favorite wheelbarrow. What she likes about it is it's lightweight. It can't hold a lot, so she can't overload it. And she just really likes it. It's easier for her to use. So she's on a little trip right now, and when she gets back, I want to have this here prettied up a little bit for her. The bottom is in pretty bad shape. It's got a couple splits here, and the whole thing kind of oil cans right here. The front tire is crooked. I'm going to see if I can straighten that out, and I'm also going to see if I can get some bushings to put in it because it wobbles a little bit. Not much else to be said about this. I'm not going to be restoring it. I'm going to be, I might sandblast the wheel or replace the wheel. But the rest of it, I'm just going to sand and wire brush and put some paint on it. So let's get to work. This is what I mean by it's seen better days. We've got a split there, and you could see where this here is, and you see how everything just kind of flexes around it. So I want to go through, stiffen this up a little bit, and while I am going to drill a hole here, I'm going to try to weld these or patch these guys up. I may get some patch material and put underneath. This front tire here, well, you can see it's crooked. So I'm going to try to straighten it, and I'm going to see if I can get some bushings for it. And if I can't get bushings for it, I will see if I can just get a new wheel. So it looks like it's going to be a trip to Tractor Supply Company. But I mean, it's simple. It's just a simple wheelbarrow, and she likes it. So let's make it pretty. Well, here you go. Approximately 2 afternoons and $20. And I've taken an old beat up wheelbarrow and made it look a little bit nicer. Is it going to last any longer? Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. But it'll look good. So anyway, it's not perfect, but we made a lot of progress. Thanks for watching.
Me, I'm imprinted on your heart, I swear. At times you make me angry, but I know that it could always be worse, be worse, be worse. Baby, baby, now I'm trying to forget you. Baby, I know everything that was about you. No, I'm joking, I'm looking for the bathroom. Round and round, yeah, round and round we go. Picture perfect, but so many flaws that stopped you. I don't wanna ever see you in the same room. I open up and then you hit on all my issues. Round and round we go, we go.